This video here is all about Slim Tide, metabolic and digestive support, and the idea that there's some sort of baking soda recipe. This is all a scam, and I will tell you how I know that. So as you can see here on my screen, this is a fake Today Show website. This is not today.com. These are scammers pretending to be today.com with a scam website that's like a .us website. And they're pretending here that Yale doctor reveals the $1 baking soda recipe that helped Oprah drop 43 pounds without injections. And they show Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff, Oprah, Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff, Dr. Oz. No one ever endorsed this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people, including famous doctors, ever endorsed anything about a baking soda recipe or Slim Tide capsules for weight loss. And they show a people.com article there you can see. That has no legitimacy or relation to this product. What's going on here is that scammers in Brazil or some other country have come up with the idea that there's a baking soda recipe and they want you to watch an entire video here. Like you see an ad somewhere, it leads you to this website. You watch a very long, maybe hour-long video thinking there's a baking soda recipe. Do not ingest baking soda with a drink or something. Do not ingest baking soda at all. I'm not telling you to do that. That's what they're trying to make you think here. Do not ingest baking soda with water or anything like that. Absolutely not. This seems dangerous to me. And please do hit the like button down below. That would really help my video get out there so people will find it and benefit from knowing the baking soda water shot is not a real thing, and that Slim Tide capsules for metabolic and digestive support is not something that's actually going to be able to help you in a miracle manner to lose weight and drop pounds. Please do that. The like button is big. What is happening here is that this is the classic thing where scammers pretend that there's some sort of a recipe of pantry ingredients, household ingredients, kitchen ingredients, whatever, that you can mix up together and it's a magic solution. And it was just brought up on a big famous show or something. They got fake Oprah there. They just showed AI generated Oprah. And this never appeared on the Today Show. No one famous ever endorsed it. And Slim Tide, metabolic and digestive support, you will have difficulty finding the actual people truly behind the making of the product, a mailing address of where it's made, where it's bottled, anything like that, which to me says stay far away from it. Let's take a look at why this is a scam, the scam marketing. I will hit play on the video now. You can see exactly what's going on, why they're showing Oprah and all this other stuff.
Screw Ozempic. This $1 baking soda shot that Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff taught me makes any woman lose 7 pounds per week. Right. She's one of Yale's top obesity specialists, and she revealed the science behind this for the first time in a special episode with Jenna and Shino on the Today Show.
So let me just say really quick, and then I'm going to hit play, that the people talking in this video, including the woman you just saw, they didn't say those words. They're being misused. Their image and likeness are being misused with deepfake AI depictions, meaning manipulated lip movement using AI and AI-generated vocals as well. So they didn't actually say anything about this. Scammers have manipulated their lip movement to make it look like they're saying the words that you are hearing and listening to, and they never talked about this ever. There is no baking soda recipe for weight loss. The reason why they have that here, they're dangling that the entire video saying, we're going to show you the ingredients, and it ends up being a bottle of pills that they claim the baking soda recipe was formulated into a bottle of capsules called Slim Tide for weight loss. And they do that at the very end of the video, this very long video, which we're not going to watch the entire thing, to try to get you to be like, okay, I guess I'll buy this bottle of pills. I thought it was just going to be a recipe. Don't buy this. Let's hit play and watch a lot of this.
And instead of prescribing dangerous injections, crazy diets, or hours on the treadmill, she recommended this 10-second morning ritual. It was what Oprah used to silence the food noise and abandon baggy clothes for good. And you can start as early as tomorrow morning. So, I will get straight to the point. The baking soda trick works to reactivate fat-burning hormones that shut down after 40. The interview where Dr. Anya explains exactly how to mix the ingredients is about to start right now on this page. The order makes all the difference. So pay attention from the very beginning, because this is how you wear a size small by next month without swapping pizza for salad, without the yo-yo effect, and without saggy skin. After a 58-year-old teacher from Sacramento lost 66 pounds in just 60 days with this recipe, the pharmaceutical industry pressured to take down the content. They are afraid of putting the profits of their $1,000 injections at risk. So, if it's still playing for you right now, watch it while you can.
So that people.com article they just showed had nothing to do, if it's a real people.com article, with baking soda recipes, Slim Tide capsules for weight loss, or anything like that. Scammers often misuse the weight loss transformations of people dieting and exercising to pretend that they actually lost weight with our special formula, and they did not do that.
Forget pink salt, the gelatin trick, cardio at the gym, or dangerous injections. This recipe was tested by Yale and Harvard experts on thousands of women in the country. The interview is starting right now. Don't skip a single second. Dr. Anya shows the exact measurements and the exact order. This is how you take your body back.
We are back with Oprah, who is living her best life right now, and always. After decades of struggling with her weight, the TV icon says it all changed with one aha moment.
Yeah, she's getting real about her journey, the 50 plus pounds she lost on Ozempic, the excitement, the magazine covers, and then what happened when she stopped taking it, it all came back. But she says that's not the end of the story. She's now sharing a simple morning ritual, the baking soda.
Okay, do you see that image of Oprah in the kitchen? Completely AI generated. Oprah, the kitchen, the mixture, everything is AI generated. That's what the scammers are doing here.
A water shot that she says reactivates the same hormones Ozempic targets, but this time no injections, no prescription. Just something she says you can do tomorrow morning with what's already in your kitchen. We're going to chat all about that in just a minute.
Oprah says she's finally free. Not because of willpower, not because of injections, but because of something she drinks every morning before breakfast, a simple baking soda recipe that she says did what the drugs couldn't.
So that's not true. And the image you saw of Oprah with her dog, scammers added in a glass that looked like it had water and baking soda. Again, do not drink baking soda with water or anything mixture or anything that you see in this sort of a video. I am absolutely telling you not to do that because it could be dangerous. And yeah, so anyway, what is going on here? There's no baking soda recipe. Slim Tide metabolic and digestive support capsules have nothing to do with helping you dramatically lose weight. These are products like Slim Tide or the baking soda recipe that make a lot of bold claims without actually telling you, hey, I'm the founder behind all this stuff, because they are hiding. And that's just the way it is with these online scams. The people behind this know that what they're doing is as scammy as it gets. And so my advice, if you fell for something like this, it's probably going to charge you every 30 days for a subscription or something. Call your credit card company. If you saw the Oprah stuff, report fraud. See if you can get your money back and say to the credit card agent on the phone or bank or whatever that this might come with subscription charges. How do I block future charges? Can I report fraud so other people don't fall victim to this like I did? That would be really, really helpful to other people. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. I hope that you benefit from my video. The like button does a lot. And if you have any other comments, concerns, anything you want to share down below, that'd be really cool and helpful to other people. And again, there's no baking soda recipe. There are other product names tied to the baking soda recipe. All scams. Do not believe in them. If you find a recipe on another website and it says it's the baking soda recipe for weight loss, it doesn't do anything. Do not do it. Go see a doctor. Absolutely. Scammers will do anything to get your money. Don't believe in it. Thank you so much for watching.